Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're traveling north on I-55 in Perry County, Missouri, and we're approaching the end of our first filming day of I-55. It's getting dark, and if we hadn't pre-booked a hotel another 50 miles up the road, we would have already stopped to film this in the daylight. I've adjusted the brightness to try to make the footage usable, but the exposure time was automatically increasing, so the video isn't as sharp as I'd like it to be. It's the best I could do. The windshield was also starting to get really dirty, but I didn't want to stop to clean it in the interest of time and remaining daylight. We entered the city of Perryville, the county seat of Perry County. Perryville had a population of 8,555 as of the 2020 census. Perryville began in the 18th century while under French and Spanish colonial rule. Looking to expand the population, Spanish authorities agreed to allow American Catholics to settle in what was then Upper Louisiana. The traditional heart of Perryville is the Courthouse Square. This main square has decorative sidewalks, Washington-style light fixtures, and decorative tree plantings. The Perry Park Center, located in the city park, features an aquatic center, gymnasium, performing arts center, movie theater, library, and sports facilities. 2 festivals are held annually in Perryville: Mayfest, which is held on the Courthouse Square in May, and the St. Vincent de Paul Seminary Picnic, which is held on the Seminary Fairgrounds each August. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter St. Genevieve County, which had a population of 18,479 as of the 2020 census. The county is named for St. Genevieve, the patroness of Paris, France, and is spelled with an E on the end of Saint as a throwback to these French origins. Within the county is the oldest settlement west of the Mississippi River outside of New Spain. This is one of the few places where Missouri French is still spoken. Exit 143 leads to the census-designated place of Ozora. When the area was being settled, one of the names proposed for the post office was Ozark. However, there was already an Ozark post office in Christian County, so the name Ozora was coined. We conclude today's video at mile marker 151. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.